Okay friends, I have hesitated to tell you about this. This is a 335, right? These are Canadian, you've seen these before? This one's actually my birthday lantern. These have kind of a dark secret, and I don't know if it's a Canadian thing, but I've never seen this in an American lantern. Check this out. You can open the valve on these in the normal direction, you know, counterclockwise, and they do the normal things you would expect. But if you get a little twitch the other way, oh man, can you see this? Or rather, can you not see this? Oh man, that's weird, right? Like that's weird. And I don't know what causes that, but I do think it's useful. I do think there's something we could do with this.
Hey!
No doubt about it. A useful thing, this lantern. I do think it has one more trick up its sleeve. Now, normally a lantern burns fuel and makes light, but what about a lantern that takes in light? Would it? Could it? Oh yeah. Let's see what we got inside. This lantern started the day empty. Let's see what we can get out of it now. Oh yeah, can you see that? That's Coleman fuel coming out of a previously empty lantern. This could revolutionize the world of lantern collecting. Look, I don't claim to understand how this thing works, but it's incredible. And I'm going to keep playing with it and see if I can make it do anything else interesting. And if I do, you better believe you'll see it right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.